How to get voice chat on Roblox 2026 guide. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you been wondering how to get voice chat on Roblox in 2026? Want to talk with your friends using your microphone while playing your favorite Roblox games? If so, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you the latest and easiest way to enable Roblox voice chat step by step. Whether you're playing on Android, iPhone, PC or tablet, this guide will help you set everything up quickly and easily. I'll also cover the latest requirements, common problems, and how to fix them if voice chat isn't working on your account. So make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't miss any important tips. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Roblox guides, updates, and tutorials. Now, let's jump right in and get started.